Yeah, it's good. In the Sublime, I'm just removing the PHP code. Now you can see the HTML coding. Only pure HTML. I need only pure HTML code, but it is not arranged as I want. It is not like that. Okay, means yeah, there is HTML tag. Yeah, it is correct. HTML tag start and HTML tag ends. Yeah, it is correct. Title tag TR. You directly use the TR tag, but you didn't use the. You have to use first table tag. Within the table tag, only you can use the TR tag. Do you get the point, Kushi? You have to start table tag
Yes.
first. Then only you can use the table TR and TD tag. TR stand for table row and TD stand for table column. Okay, you start the TR first TR and this is the end of first TR, and within this you have to use the TDs. Okay, the first line is correct
Yes.
in the TR. One second, Kushi. Just please be online. हेलो, मेरे को तो टाइम है अभी 20 20 25 मिनट 25 25 हाँ 3566 25 मिनट्स 25 मिनट्स करीब 25 मिनट ओके एक्चुअली मेरे को थोड़ा बात करने आता है रूम पे अगर वो आएगा तो मैं आपके साथ में आ जाऊंगा नहीं तो फिर मैं रूम पे ही चला जाऊंगा तो रूम पार्टनर इंतजार कर रहे हैं तो उससे थोड़ी बात करनी है कि आ जा तो 10 मिनट बात करके वापस आ जाएंगे खाना भी खा लेंगे खाने का क्या? खाना खा लेंगे मैं तो कॉल करता हूँ फिर अपन डिसाइड करते हैं सॉरी खुशी okay now so this is first line is it is correct line okay second line is also almost correct but you didn't just you used within the trtd but you used the ul li and ul close actually this is not exactly I need. It is some kind of messy coding means yeah if you just close here td and after tr then it will display more kind of okay but what you have done you use a ulli within the table but you have to use within the trtd then only Khushi are you there hello
Yes.
yeah
Yes.
yeah you have used you have to use the tr and td for that if you want to use ulli within the table and within the in between the td you have to use ul and li's actually td just close the td yeah just close the td and in the second actually it is one kind some kind of messy code td ul li yeah you can use li in between the you have to use li in between the ul okay I just remove yeah you use correct ulli but outside the td that's why it is not coming in good way And also you have to, if you want to submit the form, you have to use the form first or not, Kushi? Form tag or form tag simple. Okay.
I oh, by mistake is for delete because I clicked in the bottom.
YouTube, yeah, yeah, but okay, but you didn't start it. The form tag. You have to start the form tag. There is no start of a form tag action method. Post action method. Okay, name or everything. Now, just okay, trtd ul. I just want to remove this ul. trtd. Yeah, we have just closed td. Okay, just want to remove td. tr now closed after td means tr open, td open, td close, tr close. If you want to use only single column, tr again within a td image, input type text, name image, you have to use the input type file, td close and tr close good, and td input type radio. Let's see on the browser. ULLI is one kind of, okay, it is list, not a drop down. This is one kind of list. It will show you in the list format. Okay, not a drop down format. Okay, one second. Let me just remove this. I will just create new one. Okay, I'll just show you how you have to create. Just create like that and try with yourself. Okay, Kushi. Means this is a simple core HTML. Let me just remove this also. Okay, HTML. Yeah, this is simple HTML or not? Doc type. Okay,
Yeah.
now start from here. Now, first thing, what you want to need, you need a form tag. Let's say you need a form tag. Form tag. Yeah, in between form tag, you will use the different tags. You just use one action within action. Within action, just enter the next page name, next.php or show.php, anything. Means we want to just post the value into the next.php page, a different another page. Okay, and method, just give the post method. So this is our structure. Now our structure ready. Now we have to create the different HTML tags. Now let's start with table. Yeah, let's start with table. Table is some kind of confusing. Right now we don't. We are not going to use table
Your
here.
voice is big.
Yeah, it's breaking. One second. Okay, we have created structure. Okay, Kushi, we have created a structure. Now I'm not going to use table tag. I will use table tag into the next page. Okay, tabular format I will use into the next page. Okay, Kushi?
Yeah.
Okay. I just use a div tag. What is div? Div also a container. Okay. What I'm going to use div, div. Okay, Kushi?
So I don't on one page is not right. I have to do on the next
Sorry.
the TRTD and the table tag and
Yeah,
all.
table tag, it's optionally. If you want to use tabular format, If you want to use tabular format, then you can use the TRTD and table tag of HTML. Otherwise, you can use the simple way also. It's just an option, nothing else. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, now I'm not going to write means directly text. I will use label to write the text means name. In the previous examples, what we have done, directly write the name. Now we are going to write name in label. Yeah, here is one label. This is the standard way of coding. Okay, input input type is same. Input type text, name same. Full name or f name name. I'll just give you name. Simple same because I'm going to just capture the name into this text box. Okay, so what I have done within one div tag, one second, let me just, okay, I've used one label. Okay, now same, I've just copied it and paste it. I just want to use to display
So
the gender. Okay,
we have to use the same thing twice.
no, not twice, actually I just copy and paste to save my time code. Okay, I just use div
Yeah.
again. Div, you can use any number of divs. Okay, Kushi,
Okay. Yeah.
input type, one second, input type radio. Just try to means first you have to understand about the HTML tag. Why we use this HTML tag means radio button. Just try to search the radio button in HTML. Then you will get so many links there. There with the help of that links, you can understand about the radio button of HTML. Okay, so radio button I will just show you.
Sorry.
About the radio button, I will just describe. Let me code. I will just describe the code. Okay. The radio value. I just copied it again. Paste here. Gender and female. Okay. Let me show you stars. Where is the stars? The JavaScript. Okay. Task. HTML task. Dot PHP. When name is not coming. So we have to write this. Okay, we have to write the value. We cannot give the value. Okay, and value. Yeah, we have to give the value also and some text after the value. Label. Every text just write in the labels. Because this is the
Yeah. Same.
voice is cracking. Kushi, can you hear me?
Yeah.
One second. Kushi, can you hear me? Kushi. Now you can hear me. Hello, Kushi. Male or female? Only one will be checked. Kushi, are you there? Hello, Kushi.
Yes.
Okay, okay. Use div again. I just once style. It's GHT. It equals to 300 pixels. It equals to 500. So let me see. Style. 1 second, Kushi. Let me scroll. I will just describe you. I wait. Hold on. Let's see it is coming or not. Yeah, text color has been changed. Second, the color. Spelling. Okay, I will just tell you about the colors. Okay, what we have done, we have just take one div. Div is also a container. Okay, a simple container, nothing else. It will not display anything. It will just contain the elements like table. But table can display the border and all the things. But div will not this div will not going to display anything. Okay, Kushi, means this div start here and ends here. Okay, and same as what we have done, a label means we use radio button. Okay, for gender. Kushi, are you there? Kushi, hello.
Nine, three, not available. Pound. For your message. When you have finished recording, you may hang up. Press 1. Options.
Yeah, hello. Kushi, can you hear me now?
Yes.
Yeah. Actually, what we have
Yes.
done, Kushi. Hello. Yeah. Just tell me. Just tell me. Hello, Kushi. Hello. Actually, I'm getting your voice. One second. Let me come outside. Parish. Parish. Yeah, Kushi. Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Okay. What we have done, we have used div as a container. Okay. Div nothing else, a container. Okay, Kushi. Within the div, we can use the HTML tags. Means these all the HTML tags means this div also within the one div, and all these the labels and the inputs we use in the different divs. Okay, I will tell you what we can do with the divs. We just try to style the div using some class name and anything. If you want to just style, I will show you in the next session how we use this css into the divs. Okay, just keep in mind div is used for contain the html, other html tags. Okay. Okay, Kushi. Hello, Kushi.
Yes.
Okay, now you can see this code on the browser, and this is now this is coming on our browser, name and gender for male or female. What we have used, this is called the radio button. Okay, what we call this
Yes.
radio button. Now, how we use the radio button? Gender, a label, simple label. We are not going to write our simple text directly. We have to use the labels. Okay, and input type radio. If
Yes.
you write input type radio, and we give the same name. Okay, same name, and you have to give
Yes.
value. Why? Because at the time of post, you will get the value, the same value whatever you have given here, not here, whatever you have given here in the value section, it will just post that value. Okay, you can get that value using the dollar underscore post gender, using this name. Okay, why we use the same name of these two radio buttons, because what is our requirement? Our requirement is we just need to check only one radio button or not, Khushi, either male or female.
Yes.
That's why we use the same name. If we use the different name for radio button, means this is the gender one and the other one is the simple gender, then it we can select both the radio button. But this is wrong. This is wrong or not, Rishi? We can select both the radio buttons. This is wrong, because as per our requirement, we can just
Yes.
calculate the requirement. Yeah, only one radio button should be checked at a one time. Okay,
Yes.
so that's why we use like this. Now, we can use the drop down also. How we use the drop down, let me show you. I'm just copying the code to save my time, nothing else. Okay, drop down, how we use the drop down, one second. Mm, country. Okay, I'm going to use the drop down for country, input type. Okay, select. How we got the drop down, let me just show you. We have to use the select. Sorry, Kushi. Hello, Kushi, can you hear me? Hello, Kushi. Hello, Kushi, can you hear me? Kushi?
Yeah, I can hear you, but your voice is breaking.
Breaking. Okay. Okay. I'm just going to use the drop down and then I'm going to show you how we get the drop downs. Okay, in the HTML. You got it, Kushi? Kushi? Hello.
Yes,
Okay. So if you want to just use the drop down, there is one tag select, and between the select means this is the start of select and this is the end of select. Okay, between the select you have to use the
yes,
option. Within the option, whatever you have write, it will come into the drop down as a drop down option. Let me just show you. If I use 3 time India, then it will come 3 time India. Yeah. 3 time India is coming or not, Kushi, in the drop down?
yes,
Now you can
yes,
change the name as per your requirement. Nothing else. USA, mm, China. Okay. As per your requirement, you can just write any number of option and the value. You will get any number of city country name. Okay. So that this way you will get the drop down. And but in the drop down, if you want to just post the value, means you need India or not. Whenever you just post or submit your form, what user just choose? You need that value or not? Khushi? For using after
yeah,
submitting the form, we have to use the selected value or not. We need the selected value or not in the next form, Khushi.
yes,
So we will give the value in within the option. We will give the value. I'm just giving same India. So this value will be in the next page.
I get to do the value.
Sorry, I'm giving the value in the option. Okay, Kushi, are you there?
Yeah,
I'm giving the value, the same value. You can give the same value, you can give the different value also, but I'm using the same value because I just want to display these value, one of this value into the next page or not, Kushi?
like
Yeah, that's
his
right.
voice
See,
is breaking so much.
yeah, again, it's breaking.
I can't hear you.
Yeah, Kushi, actually, we need one of the selected value, whatever with the selected value from the customer, we need that value. Coverage. Yeah, so that's why we just use the value section in our options. This you can see that pushing.
Sorry?
Can you see that this value property of our option?
Yeah,
Why we use this? Because whenever user select any value, means if user select India, then this value will be posted after submitting the form. So we will get whatever you have right here. This value we can catch into the next page or the same page. Okay, okay, Kushi.
okay,
That's why we give the
yeah,
value equals to India, USA, and the China. Okay, we need the selected value or not?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is our simple drop down. Now, I just want to create one next.php within the JavaScript. Control N. Within the JavaScript, I just use next.php and HTML. Now we will use the PHP code also. Now you can get all the values, whatever we send. Why using dollar underscore post or not, Kushi? Kushi, are you there?
Yeah. Yes.
You can catch all the values using dollar underscore post. I will just echo a particular value, the name section. I use the name. I'm just copying this and pasting this.
But on the next page, not on the same page, right?
Sorry.
But on the next page, not on the same page.
Because what's your requirement? I just want to catch all the values from the user, just insert it or submit all the value from the user in the first page and just try to catch that values or display that value into the next page. That is our requirement. That's why we are using PHP code into the next page. First page should be our core HTML tag. Okay, as per our requirement.
Yeah.
Okay, these are the core HTML tag or not, Kushi?
Yeah.
Center. No, it is not working on center. Okay. Use maybe this. One second, Kushi. No, not working. Okay, I will just show you the style tag. Just forget about this style tag right now. Okay. Now you have to use more. I just use three or four kind of HTML tag in this example, but you have to use all the kind of HTML tags, whatever I just sent you the list. Okay. Now on the
Yeah.
next page, let's see the code of the next page. I'm just echoing the name, the first tag name, the gender is our second tag name. Gender. I have to give the name also. Cuntry. You have to give the name within the select, okay, not in the option, okay? Because by using select, you can get the drop down. Now, you can print these name. In India. Yeah, India selected. Now, you didn't use the submit button, Kushi. Is there any submit button?
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah. Put side submit name save or show. You can use any name value save. Now we get this our upload button also here, and if you click the save, you get the three values or not, Kushi? Govind,
Yeah.
mail and India. Okay, mail
Yeah.
and India we have
Yeah.
selected because first value is already selected in the drop down, in this drop down. Already selected first value. If you select next, then you will get the next value. Okay, so
Yeah.
you have to just display this value into tabular format. Now you can use the table, just table. You can use table tr, td. First td, just use the name. Second td, just use td. What you have to use, gender. And the third td means third row, third column. What is the third column coming? Country. Country. Once again I have to use td, close it. And what I have done, I just use trtd for displaying. How we display? Like this: name, gender and country. And in the below of these heading, we will display our record, whatever we have selected. So how can we do that? Using another tr and td. Within the td you can use more one td. One second, let me code. I'll explain you. One more td. Okay, I have to close this also, and one more td. So what I have to do, just copy. Okay, copy this code means with the PHP tag, and I have to close the PHP tag also because I'm going to use PHP coding within the HTML code. So I have to close the PHP tag also. Pushing, you get the
Yeah.
point?
Yes.
This is the first TD for name. I'm just copying this and pasting into the second TD for our gender, and just copying this, pasting again, and I will change the name. Okay, and our TR close.
ये पैसा से ले जाना.
Sorry, sorry,
Yeah. No.
gender, and this is the country. Okay, just remove this. I don't need this line of code because we already displayed our values. So this is the simple, this kind of this kind of record I just want from you. Okay, name, Govind, gender, male, country USA. You can use the table border, then you will get the border outside all around the table. Okay, okay. Once again, use we have to post the value, then only we will get the value. That's why we are getting that error. Okay, we have to go from this page into the next page, then only we will not be getting any error. Otherwise you will get the undefined errors. Okay,
Yeah.
you get the point, Khushi?
Yes.
So this kind of coding you have to do. Okay, just use all the tags, means you have to use select tag. Yeah, we already done the select tag, and just see the tags whatever I have just give you on the email. And let me open the email. One second. Yeah. We covered form tag, text tag, labels. If we didn't use checkbox, you have to use the checkboxes. Okay. Just try to understand about the checkbox from internet and use in your pages. Okay. We use radio button drop down. Yeah, you can also the use drop down again for cities also. Okay. For particular city, if you want to select from drop down, you can use the drop down city for city also. Paragraph tag, image tag, just use image tag. Okay. You see?
Yes.
Yeah, image tag. I have just already told you about the image tag. Use image tag in the first page. Whenever you just click on submit and just use the image uploading coding into the next page and display the same name. So it will display the image using image tag and upload button. Okay, upload button. You have to use upload button in the first page and image tag into the second page. Anchor tag, you use the anchor tag. Table, we use the table division. Division is a div tag. We already use today div tag. ULLI, just try to use the ULLI. Just understand about the ULLI, why we use and try to implement text area for big message. We use text area, link tag. Okay, so just understand, just copy paste into the Google and understand the working, or you can use you can go to our W3 school website also. There is a HTML tutorial. In that also you can see particular element, the working of element, and use the code from there. Okay, Kushi, but you have to
Okay.
know what are you doing. Don't just copy paste, try to understand that also. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, Kushi, so you have to just complete all this task today. Okay, just try to use all the things. If yeah, it is, if double means just use drop down for country also, city also. Yeah, it is double, not a problem. If you are using double means common tag two times, so it is not a problem. Okay, you can use more than one text boxes as per your need. Just create any page, any registration page. In that registration there is a whole information of a particular person. Then you have to just use all the tags, all the important tags of HTML. Okay. Okay, Kushit. So just try to complete the task and send me the email with your task attachment. I will just review that and we will discuss into the next session. Okay, Kushi. So that's it
Okay.
for today's session. I will send you only video. Not I'm not going to send you the